Hi, I'm gonna talk today about a problem that I faced when checking if a number is a power of 3. In general, if I wanna find if a number is a power of n, I perform a log base n operation. And if this operation gives a whole number, then the number is a power of n. So if I wanna find if a number is a power of 3, I perform a log operation base 3, and if it gives a whole number, that's why I here have modulus 1. If it gives 0, if I divide it by 1 and it gives 0, therefore I have a whole number and I have a power of 3. Yet, since in Java and in most programming languages I don't have log base n, I did the mathematical operation where I have log of the number, the natural log, divided by the natural log of 3. So if I have natural log n divided by natural log 3, this should give me log base 3 of n. And when I implemented it, I had a problem at number 243. It was giving false, whereas in fact it should give true. I decided to check what's happening. I decided to follow the values that I have step by step. Therefore, I prepared this. So here I'm storing the value of log base 3 of my number, and I have natural log of n divided by natural log of 3, as I explained before. And I'm implementing this function with the number 243, the number that gave me the error before. Let's break this up even more. Let's create a double called ln of n, and it's equal to Math.log n. This is the natural log. Let's print it as well. So I have this out, and I'm printing ln n. So I'll also calculate the natural log of 3. This is double ln 3, and I have it here. I'll copy this, and here I'll change n to 3, and I'll change these to 3. If I print them, I can see the numbers that I have, and it's giving false. It should give true. Let's print log 3 as well. So let's calculate it according to the values that we have. ln n divided by ln 3, and let's print it. When I print log 3, it's not 5. It should give 5. In fact, it's giving a decimal number that's very close to 5. And therefore, if I check for the remainder, if I check if this is a whole number, if it's an integer, it's not an integer, and therefore it would return false. I fiddled a lot with solutions. I tried to change double to float. I tried searching for other data types, and these didn't work. So I tried another approach, which is having log base 10. And therefore, I tried it. So let's create double LGN, and it's the same as this, but here instead of log I have log base 10, and here I'll change the variable name. Here also I have log base 10 of 3, and I changed this to log 10. I also took this one. This is called log 3. Let's call it LG10 3, and let's put here LGN, LG3, and LG10 3. And here I'll check for LG10 3. And when I run this, this is giving 5, and it's giving 2. So apparently dividing ln by ln didn't give me the result that I want. I don't know if the problem is due to the division or due to the bits that were stored, but Surprisingly, changing the base to base 10 solved the problem. I'd like to know if you've faced similar problems before and if you have any suggestions to what caused this problem. Thank you.